What's up guys, it's Jenny with Extreme Powerhouse and I'm so excited to be doing my CSF video for my M4 build that they are sponsoring. I'm going to show you guys some side-by-side before and after pictures as well as comparisons of the items that come stock on my M4 versus CSF's products. I'm also going to be showing you some installation snippets and I'm going to be breaking down every key feature for each product. Let's not waste any time and let's jump right into the video. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is the dual pass transmission cooler, which is made with CSF's AC condenser technology using a one-row, super high-pressure 26mm multi-channel microtube. It's also a dual-pass high-performance core with 10 cooling tubes versus OEM single-pass with return pipe 6-tube design, which you can actually see the difference right in this video. It's a high-density fin design, and it's also a drop-in fit requiring no modifications to install. It accepts all attaching OEM components, including oil line connections, mounting brackets, and ducting. And it's also lab tested at 30% more efficient than the OEM cooler. It's the world's first and only true plug-and-play upgraded DCT transmission cooler for the BMW S55 engine in the BMW F80 M3 M4, as well as the F82 F83 M4. Now the second product that I'm going to break down is my front mount heat exchanger, which is a two-row 42mm core, which is a dual core, and it features an ultra-efficient fin with 6.5mm fin height and multi-louver designed for maximum surface area contact. Its dual pass flow structure allows the coolant to flow across the core of the radiator 2 times before exiting the radiator for the lowest outlet temperature possible, which is OEM style design. It has CNC machined OEM style quick connect inlet outlet connections and CNC machined OEM style mounting brackets and fittings for superb fit and durability. It also includes a removable aluminum rock guard, and it has an all aluminum race style drain plug and a 1-hour mirror finish hand polish. It's a drop-in fit requiring no modifications to install, accepts all attaching OEM components including quick connect hoses, mounting brackets, OEM X brace, and all air ducting and shrouding. CSF 8075 40-row design requires no modifications necessary at all. But the CSF 8075R 50-row ultimate race spec design, which has limited availability, does require some modifications, including trimming to the bottom side of the upper core support. This is something that my mechanic figured out very quickly and easily like that, and he got it fixed, trimmed, and got it installed within 2 minutes. Now, last but not least, we're going to talk about my custom bubble pink with iced sparkles top mount dual pass charge air cooler, which is the world's first cast intake designed top mount charge air cooler for the BMW S55 engine in the BMW F80 M3 M4, as well as the F82 F83 M4. It has multiple air dividers, which cast into both the hot and cold side end tanks for optimized airflow through the custom designed CSF liquid to air intercooler core. The CFD analyze and testing is completed to ensure optimal performance. It has a 60% increase in core size compared to the OEM cooler. It's a left to right cross flow dual pass core configuration with 2-stage water cooling for maximum efficiency and intake temperature reduction versus an OEM single pass vertical flow design. It's designed with 3D scanning, rapid prototype technology to ensure precise fitment and maximum surface area utilization. It's also a drop-in fit design for easy and quick plug-and-play installations, and it's complete with an OEM-style quick connect water connections and sensor ports. That's finished with a professional crinkle black powder coat finish for the CSF 8082. It's also available in a raw aluminum finish with option for custom powder coating available for the CSF 8082R, and it also comes with a lifetime warranty. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it informative. I did my best to break down every benefit for each product. Again, CSF, I cannot thank you guys enough for sending them and sponsoring my M4 build. They are fantastic. I'm sure all of you now can see the real craftsmanship that goes into each product. If you like me doing videos that show the installations for the products that I'm doing for my M4 build, just let me know, like the video, leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching.